My name's Greg Young. We're located in Minyama, which is on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland. We're quite close to the coast. We live in a saltwater environment, and that was an important factor in the decision on our system. It had to work well in this environment and also be able to withstand relatively harsh environmental conditions. We had to plan the solar system in such a way that it would work well in a marine environment. We're very, very close to salt water, and we wanted solar panels and a racking system that was going to last. We needed a system that would stand up to the elements, particularly the harsh elements on the Sunshine Coast, very close to a salt water and a salt environment. A local installer is important. Not only does it of course support the local community, but you want somebody that's able to respond quickly to your needs. Hopefully you don't have any problems after a sales or service that you need, but it's good to have somebody that's close by that can respond. Their understanding of my needs, their ability to work with me, because we wanted to install and engineer a system that was of course functional, met our performance, but also minimised the visual impact and the aesthetics on the house. When I installed a battery system, we acquired the battery system and had it installed within a week, and that's part of the benefit of them being a local supplier and a local service company. The system that we installed has 18 kilowatts of capacity. We've got remote capability to be able to monitor the inverters and the system, including the battery. That's very important to us because we do travel away from our house, and we want to ensure that we can monitor it whilst we're away to check that everything's running okay.